Optics for ARVRMR, Unlocking the Boundaries of Perception. Avantier, a leading producer of ARVRMR optics, is driving the growth of the global augmented, virtual, and mixed reality market. Optics design and manufacturing play a crucial role in the success of these immersive technologies. In virtual reality, VR, users enter a completely new 3D digital environment. Augmented reality, AR, overlays digital content onto the real world, while mixed reality, MR, combines digital content with the real world in interactive ways. Optics are the core of seamless spatial reality experiences in AR/VR/MR. They can make or break the user experience. If the optics introduce problems like God rays, rainbow effect, or vergence-accommodation issues, it can diminish the overall quality and turn users away from virtual reality. Avantier understands the significance of optics in delivering exceptional AR/VR/MR experiences. Through advancements in optical metrology, we can create carefully designed systems that eliminate these issues, providing a superior user experience. In VR devices, Fresnel lenses are crucial components, especially in higher-end devices. These lenses, with their concentric grooves and better focusing performance, result in more cost-effective, reduced thickness, reduced ghosting and flare, and a wider field of view. At Avantier, we specialize in producing high-quality Fresnel lenses using advanced injection molding, diamond turning, and laser cutting and engraving techniques. With our expertise in optimizing optical performance, we can design the perfect lens for your specific application. But Fresnel lenses are just the beginning. Avantier's state-of-the-art factory and innovative design team can manufacture a wide range of AR/VR/MR optics, microdisplays, prisms, beam splitters, and more. Whatever your display type, we have the capabilities to meet your needs. Join us at Avantier and let us be your partner in creating optimal AR/VR/MR experiences. Contact us today for a free consultation or to request a quote for your custom AR/VR/MR project.